In this video, I'm going to show you how to lay a extra place horse racing bet when only the win part of the back bet is boosted. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris, and on here I like to talk about match betting and how to be better with your money. The regulars know that I've got a Facebook and Telegram group, as well as a live stream 4 nights a week here on the channel to help you with any questions you've got when you're starting match betting. I also have a Patreon page, which for $7.99 a month plus VAT, you can sign up to, and what you'll get in there will give you a ton of value and help you earn more money each month with match betting. Of course, I'll leave links to all of those down in the description. So jumping on the laptop then and getting straight into the video, as you can see here over on the William Hill site, they have in the terms and conditions, only the win part is boosted when you place an each way bet, and then it's boosted with their 3 bet boosts every day offer. There's currently no William Hill offers here on the extra place matcher over on Oddsmonkey, so I can't show you an exact example of a William Hill one, but taking the example of the horse Apple Mac here and putting it into the each way extra places calculator, what we can see is a qualifying loss of £3.43 and then an extra place profit of £28.57. Now, this isn't one that I would get on. This was just purely for an example. So as we can see here, if we change the back odds to say 12.5 and pretend that this is a William Hill bet that's going to be boosted, now we're only having to put a lay on the win of £8.93, but because the calculator thinks that the each way part of the bet has also been boosted, it's not giving us the correct lay amount, which it's saying lay £8.25. Now it actually, if we put that back to 12.0, it should actually be just £8. So if you go ahead and lay that as a boosted each way bet, what you'd actually be doing is you would be laying the win part correctly if you've put the boosted odds into the back stake there on the calculator. But if you laid it at that higher £8.25 on the each way part of the lay, you'd actually be overlaying it. So what would happen if your horse finished outside of the top 3 is you would actually not lose any money. It would be better for you, so you get a better result from it. But if that horse then finished in the top 3, because you've overlaid it, you would actually lose money. To show you an example of what overlaying is, we can actually go over to the regular Oddsmonkey calculator, click it into advanced mode and just leave the bet type on normal, and then just put a £10 back bet at odds of say 10.0, and then the lay stake of, for example, just 10.1. And then because the calculator, if we have it in simple mode, it'll just give you a simple back and lay what you need to do, and then your results at the bottom. But if we go ahead and swap that back to that advanced mode, you can see here overlaying is, as it says, you're putting too much of a lay bet on. And then when the exchange lay wins, so that would be the horse like I just mentioned, finishing outside of the top 3, it's going to benefit you profit-wise. But if that horse finishes in the top 3, then as I say, you can see the difference there. I know we're only working with small numbers here, but it's going to be a loss. If we were working with bigger numbers, say an £80 bet, then you would benefit in this example where you wouldn't lose anything. But look at you would take an £8 loss there for overlaying it. So all you need to do in order to lay the each way part of the bet with the boosted odds only on the win is just simply put the boosted odds into the calculator, go ahead and place your lay on the win part because that's going to be accurate. Then just go ahead and change the back odds back down to 12.0, which is the non-boosted back odds. Make sure that you got the place payout fraction at the correct setting, either 1/5 or 1/4. So in this example, it's usually going to be 1/5 odds, unless it's Bet365. They occasionally do 1/4 odds, quarter odds. So yeah, a 1/5 odds, standard boost, standard non-boosted back odds, sorry. Then you just go ahead and place the lay part at the standard non-boosted odds, which of course in this example is £8 to lay the place part of the bet. So I hope going forward then you now know exactly what to do when it comes to laying boosted odds where it's only the win part that's been boosted. If you've enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, I really do appreciate you pressing the like button below because it helps YouTube rank the video higher and reach more people. So please just take the time now and just press that like button. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.